Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand, the rigid styling all stainless steel refrigerators. For this unit, let's take a look at overall sizes first. The unit's length is about like a 29 inches wide. And the overall height of the unit will be 82.5 inches tall. The depth of the unit is about like a 32.5 inches deep. As we can see the units, they have a lockers at the top in the middle, and the controllers, power switches, and our brand's names. And the front doors, we can open it. As we can see the inside of the unit, they have a circulating fan on top of it, and the tube connects with the backboard. And the inside of the units, we have a stickers coming with all the car sheets informations, sanitation stickers for the ETL, NSF, and also have the detail of the units. Have the QR code for the quick service. They have a serial numbers written down here. And the units coming with the 1, 2, 3 shelvings. They are adjustable heads from these clips. And all the brand new shelvings right here coming from the manufacturer too. And for the inner side dimensions, they will be about like a 26.5 inches deep. And the overall height is about like a 51 inches tall. And the length of the inside about like a 2 feet wide. For the units, it's coming with the lights right here for you to check inside of the units. The compressor units is at the bottoms. It's easy for you to get the maintenance and also have a full casters at the bottoms for you to move the units. From the back, they have a power plugs coming from the 110 United States standard plugs. And this will be the all demonstration information about our products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.